Video number 2, Muscle and Strength Building and Overview. Building and maintaining muscle mass is an important component of a well-rounded fitness program. Some people, however, tend to avoid this aspect of fitness because they're afraid that extensive technical knowledge is required to understand this process. But that's not true. Let's dive into the basics. Number 1, muscles. Introduction and types. Muscle is a soft tissue found in most animals. Muscle cells contain protein filaments of actin and myosin that slide past one another, producing a contraction that changes both the length and the shape of the cell. Muscles function to produce force and motion. They are primarily responsible for maintaining and changing posture, locomotion, as well as the movement of internal organs. The human body has 3 types of muscle tissue. Cardiac muscle tissue forms most of the heart. Smooth muscle tissues is located in the abdomen and in most of the organs. And skeletal muscle, which is quite different. It can be made to relax and contract voluntarily and is therefore under our control. Number 2, the physiology behind the growth of muscle mass. After you work out, your body repairs or replaces damaged muscle fibers through a cellular process where it fuses muscle fibers together to form new muscle protein strands, or myofibrils. These repaired myofibrils increase in thickness and number to create muscle hypertrophy, growth. Muscles grow whenever the rate of the muscle protein synthesis is greater than the rate of muscle protein breakdown. This adaptation, however, does not happen while you actually lift the weights. Instead, it occurs while you rest. In an attempt to repair or replace the damaged fibers, the body responds by activating satellite cells. They then fuse to each other and to the existing muscle fiber to form new muscle strands called myofibrils. The muscles thus increase in size as more fibers are created, and therefore you'll be able to grow. Number 3, what is strength building? It is the process of enhancing overall body strength. It can be achieved by strength training, just like muscle building. Strength training is a type of physical exercise specializing in the use of resistance to induce muscular contraction, which builds the strength, anaerobic endurance, and size of skeletal muscles. Number 4, muscle building and strength building. The correlation. There are 650 skeletal muscles in the human body. They contract when they receive signals from the motor neurons, which are triggered by a part of the cell called the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Motor neurons tell your muscles to contract, and the better you become at having those signals tell your muscles to contract, the stronger you can get. Strength magnification. When someone like a power lifter is able to lift very heavy weight despite not looking very muscular, it's due to their ability to activate those motor neurons and contract their muscles better. Muscle growth tends to occur more steadily after the initial period of strength gain because you are more easily able to activate the muscles. Number 5, what is muscular strength? According to the American Council on Exercise, ACE, muscular strength is the maximum force a muscle or muscle group can exert during a contraction. Muscular strength is usually measured with a 1 rep maximum 1 RM test. During a 1 RM, an exerciser performs 1 repetition of a single exercise to see how much weight he or she can lift. ACE provides definitions for these terms that are related to muscular strength, muscular endurance, the ability of your muscles to exert force against the resistance over a sustained period of time, muscular power, the combination of muscular force and the speed of movement. For example, the number of push-ups you can do in 1 minute depends in part on your muscular strength, but also on your muscular power and muscular endurance. Number 6, how is muscular strength tested and measured? Repetition maximum testing is the standard of measuring muscle strength. It is abbreviated as 1 RM. To do a 1 RM test, you would warm up with a weight you estimate to be about half of the maximum you could lift in the exercise for 5 to 10 repetitions. Then you take a brief rest and add weight to bring it up to load and can lift 3 to 5 times at about 75% of maximum. Now you add a small amount of weight and lift it once. If you can lift that with good form, wait 3 to 5 minutes, add more weight, and try again. You repeat this sequence of added weight, attempting the lift, and resting until you reach the maximum, and you can't lift the next incremental weight with good form. These are the basic factors of muscle growth and repair. Be patient, stay active, work hard, and don't overdo it and hurt yourself. Before you get started, talk to your healthcare provider to make sure there aren't restrictions or modifications that you should follow to stay safe, and ask for help if you are new to training. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.